morning to all the children present over here. As you all know, children, in our last class, we all had done a topic, isn't it? PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, as we all know, is a software that is developed by whom? That is another software that is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay. So I want all of you to please underline, PowerPoint is a presentation program. Okay. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation program which is developed by whom? Which is developed by the Microsoft. Okay. So who developed PowerPoint? PowerPoint was developed by Microsoft. Now PowerPoint presentation, what are they known as? A PowerPoint presentation is known as a slide. Okay. So, or a slideshow. So the name of a PowerPoint presentation, we normally call it slide show. Okay. So did you learn PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft, and what is a slideshow? Slideshow is a PowerPoint presentation. Now, why do we want to learn about PowerPoint? PowerPoint has several features that will help you to share your ideas, messages and information with each other. So whenever, like I am conducting the class to all of you, I always will prefer PowerPoint when I want to share my ideas with you all. Okay. Whenever I want to share my ideas with you all, I will go for PowerPoint. Okay. So children, now very important, how we can start PowerPoint. Please see. First of all, we need to click on the start button. See, I will click on the start button over here. Then I will go to the all programs menu. I am using Windows 10, so this is the menu of Windows 10 here. I will go to all programs menu and see, can you see under Microsoft Office there is a folder called Microsoft Office. उसके अंदर PowerPoint मौजूद है. Microsoft Office folder के अंदर PowerPoint is present over here. Okay. So this is how I can start. This is how I can start the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. So suppose when I start Microsoft PowerPoint, this kind of a screen will open with the name PowerPoint 1. Okay. Now see on your screen PowerPoint is opening. So this is what it opens with the name Presentation 1. Okay. Can you see the name Presentation 1 that was shown in your book? So by default when PowerPoint will open, it will open with this name Presentation 1. Now see, I will teach you the different PowerPoint window. First of all, coming to the quick access toolbar. ये जो window है, ठीक है, on your screen, this is called the quick access toolbar. What is this called? This is called the quick access toolbar. Now, this one is called the title bar. Let us see title bar. This is called the title bar. This entire thing is called the title bar. Now see, this one is called the text placeholder. Text placeholder, जहाँ पे हम लोग text को add करते हैं. Okay. What is this called? This is called the text placeholder. Understood? So what is this called? This is called the text placeholder. Now, after this, you see this is called the slide window. ठीक है? This is called the slide window here. That is the splitter bar. Beside the splitter bar, there is the outline tab or the slide window. So this is the splitter bar. इसे हम लोग splitter bar बोलते हैं. ये जो border आपको दिख रहा है, this is called the slide outline window. ठीक है. This is called the notes window, where we can take notes for a slide. And apart from that, you will get view buttons on the bottom. Dekho, these are called the view buttons to change the different views. Alright, so these are the different elements of the slide window. Now explanation of each of them is given. Like quick access toolbar का काम क्या होता है? Title bar is used for displaying the title. File tab is used for giving the backstage view. This is the backstage view. See, इसे हम लोग backstage बोलते हैं. Alright, the process by which we can add new files or close existing files, that is called the backstage view. Alright, quick access ribbon contains group of related commands. Which one is the ribbon? This is called the ribbon. Alright, in your screen this is called the ribbon. So ribbon is used for adding different commands. Alright, so is it clear to you all? Windows control button are present in here. Just see, this is the Windows control button, okay, where I am moving my cursor, and this is the outline and slides tab, as I told you, used for adding different slides. Okay, so I hope you understood these 2 pages. Now I will be giving you homework questions to you all. Please solve it in your computer copy. Thank you.